Okay, we got a real good project going on today. We're gonna rip out these carpets, and hopefully there's hardwood floors underneath. See what it looks like. We got this old blue carpet here. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's about 30 years old. It's just a guess. Who knows? Looks pretty old. But I'm hoping there's wood under here, just like in the other room there was. So we'll find out. All right. So we're gonna start here in the corner. See what we got. Got this corner loose. Pull it up. Alright. So far so good. Wow, look at that. Pretty nice. I'm happy with that. There we just got a little bit of paint. That'll probably come off, no problem. But yeah, this looks good. These are in good shape. Be able to work with this. Folding up this carpet. And I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces to get it out of here. Make it a little easier. Roll it up just like this. Got the carpet here in a pile, just a couple little rolls. Now we just got to hit this padding. We'll get that rolled up. All right, so as you can see, we're making some real progress here. Got all the carpet up. I got all the padding up, and doesn't look too bad. I was hoping it was better, but we got some stains like this one here, and this one here is pretty bad. But for the most part, I think we'll be able to work with this. Now I just got to remove the, what is that, the tack strip. That's going to take forever. And there's some paint splatters on the floor too. Somebody just painted and then put the carpet down, it looks like. So gonna have to figure out a way to get that off. And just gonna pull the tack strip. There's a bunch of staples and stuff from the padding. Got to get all those up. All right, let's get back at it. This is tough. This tack strip is really nailed in good, about every 4 inches, and I was hoping it'd come out in one big piece, but I'm struggling here with it, so we're just gonna work on it a little bit more, show you what I'm talking about. Kind of breaks apart. Doesn't really come out the way I want it to, but we'll get it. That's the biggest piece so far. What do we got? Look at us. Bunch of little pieces. We got all the staples pulled out and the tack strip pulled up. Now we're just gonna clean up the mess. I hit it with the steel wool here, and it's still dusty, but managed to get all the paint off the ground. Some of those stains, it's hard to see in the sun there. Some of those stains are looking a little bit better. So I'm gonna sweep this up and then see what it looks like. Okay, it's day number 2 of Operation Hardwood Floors. I just got back from Menards and picked up some of this Minwax stain. Nothing special. But I got the first coat down on the floor and it's looking pretty good. In the next clip we'll have the big reveal. You get to see the finished product. Okay, so here we are with the final results. Looks pretty good here. I got 2 coats of the Minwax down, and honestly the color matches perfectly with the other bedroom. After I got that second coat on it, really started looking nice. I did a light sand in between the 2 layers and let it dry. It's pretty much completely dry right now. I might buff it out a little bit more, get some more shine to it, but right now I think it looks real good. I'm very happy with the results. But it wasn't easy. I spent about 8 hours, my hands and knees, scrubbing and sanding and all that garbage. But it looks nice now. So actually there's one more bedroom I gotta do. That's still got carpet. I don't know when I'm going to do that. We'll get to it, right? Alright, so thanks for following along and watching the video. And hopefully this is inspiration that you can do it yourself.